Welcome to our comprehensive guide on vermicomposting. In this video, we'll cover the essential terms and techniques you need to know to master this eco-friendly practice. Key terms and techniques. Aggregation. Aggregation refers to the clustering of soil particles into granules that aid in aeration and water penetration. Aerobic. Aerobic organisms utilize free oxygen to carry out life functions. Anaerobic. Anaerobic organisms grow without the presence of free oxygen. Bedding. Bedding is a moisture-retaining medium providing a suitable environment for worms, usually cellulose-based like newspaper or compost. Biodegradable. Biodegradable materials can be broken down into simpler parts by living organisms. Breathe. Worms conduct gas exchange through their moist skin, although they do not breathe in the traditional sense. Breeders. Breeders are sexually mature worms identified by a clitellum. Bristles. Bristles, or setae, are tiny rigid structures on earthworms that act as brakes during movement. Castings tea. Castings tea is a nutrient-rich solution made by dissolving worm castings in water. Cellulose. Cellulose, found in wood and paper fibers, is a component of worm bedding. Clitellum. The clitellum is a swollen region on mature worms that secretes cocoon materials. Cocoon. A cocoon is formed by the clitellum to protect embryonic worms until they hatch. Compost. Compost is the biological reduction of organic waste to humus. Culture. To grow organisms under defined conditions. Vermiculture is growing worms in culture. Earthworm. Earthworms are segmented worms that help aerate and enrich the soil. Eisenia foetida. Eisenia foetida is a species of red worm used in vermicomposting. Humus. Humus is a stable material formed during the breakdown of organic matter. Leach. Leaching involves running water through a medium to dissolve and drain off soluble materials. Litter. Leaf. Leaf litter is organic material on the forest floor containing leaves and decaying plants. Lumbricus rubellus. Lumbricus rubellus is a species of red worm used in vermicomposting. Oligochaeta. Oligochaeta is the class of annelids to which earthworms belong, characterized by setae. Organic matter. Organic matter comes from something that was once alive. pH. pH measures the degree of acidity and alkalinity with a scale from 0 to 14. Redworms. Redworms refer to Eisenia foetida and Lumbricus rubellus, commonly used in vermicomposting. Vermicast. Vermicast, or worm castings, is the end product of organic matter breakdown by earthworms. Vermicompost. Vermicompost is a mixture of decomposed organic waste, bedding, and worm castings. Vermicomposting. Vermicomposting is the process of producing worm castings. Vermiculture. Vermiculture is the raising of earthworms under controlled conditions. Worm bedding. Worm bedding is the medium in which worms are raised, usually cellulose-based. Worm bin. A worm bin is a container designed to accommodate a vermicomposting system. Thank you for watching our guide on the basics of vermicomposting.